What up, what up, what up? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Crypto Prince, aka C Prince. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And in this video, we're just gonna talk about a new coin called Cryptobuyer. This is a gem. I recently found it. So I'm just gonna go into a few details about it. So before we get into the main video, we're just going to talk about the price action of the day. So we see Bitcoin at 18,600 up 2%. We see Ethereum up 6%. We see XRP down 0.7%. We see Chainlink up 4%. We see Bitcoin Cash up 2.9%. We see Litecoin up 3%. We see Cardano up 0.49%. We see Polkadot up 5%. And we see BINANCE coin up 1.5%. Let's take a look at the biggest gainers of the day. So we see Harvey up 11%, back up to the $75 mark, $74 mark. We see Ampliford up 12%. We see Synthetics up 12%. We see Yearn Finance up 10%. We see Nexo up 8% and Kusama up 8%. Let's take a look at the biggest losers of the day. So we see Horizon down 5%, we see Quant down 4.7%, we see Golem down 2.6%, we see Lupin down 3.5%, and then we see Lisk down 3.17%. Okay, let's just get straight into the news. So Pizza Hut to accept Bitcoin for pies in Venezuela. A famous USA-based pizza chain has begun accepting cryptocurrency payments in all its stores in Venezuela. According to a November 28th tweet from crypto services firm Cryptobuyer, Pizza Hut stores in South American nation now accept crypto as a form of payment for food and drinks. The move follows the crypto firm partnering with Megasoft to drive adoption in Venezuela by facilitating crypto payments at more than 20,000 shops and businesses. Using Cryptobuyer, customers can purchase pizza at the restaurant chain with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Binance Coin, Binance USD, Ether, Tether, DAI, and its native token XPT. Pizza Hut has location in the capital Caracas, as well as in cities of Maracaibo and Barquisimeto. I know I've probably butchered a few of those names. Based in Panama, Cryptobuyer is a cryptocurrency merchant gateway startup that also runs Bitcoin ATMs across Central and South America. The firm has already opened popular companies for crypto payments, including US-based fast food chains like Burger King, Tamanaco Intercontinental Hotel in Caracas, and Traki, the largest chain of retail stores in the country. Basically, I found this coin from this article, and it was so interesting. I have never heard of this coin, so I thought, let me take a look into this coin. So we see Cryptobuyer with this ticker symbol XPT. It's at 2 cents right now. If we look on the chart, it's kind of going up on the chart right now. It's using this previous resistance as a form of support over on this level, so we can see it's climbing up. So the all-time high for this coin is 3 cents back in the 17th of this month, and the all-time low is at 0.005. So we see this is like a very solid time to buy because it's on the up. This is like when it just start showing the charts, and we see from that level it's basically up. So right now would be a very good time to buy because of the bullish news that's coming in. So let's just have a look on the actual coin itself. Cryptobuyer accept Dash, Litecoin, Bitcoin as a form of payment. So what it is, it's like a payment service, and how it works, it says that proceed to calculate the total amount your client has to pay from the sale you are making, including tax and discount, etc. So this is for like merchants when your customer trying to buy something. So you create an order on the Cryptobuyer Pay POS and select the digital asset your client wants to use. Enter the amount and the platform will calculate the corresponding amount in the digital asset selected. The platform will generate a QR code for the transaction, and your client will have the opportunity to scan it with his wallet on his mobile phone and pay with digital assets. Cryptobuyer Pay will receive and confirm the payment, and in 48 hours you will have the total amount from the sale in your bank account in USDs. So basically this is for the merchants. So if from the buyer's perspective, if you're trying to buy from one of these shops that accept the crypto buyer or accept the Cryptobuyer Pay, you would need to have a wallet. And a few people, I just went on Twitter, I see this girl said she bought her first pizza using the Crypto-Pay app, and she used the currency BUSD, like what we just read. That's one of the currencies that you can use on Crypto-Pay, Cryptobuyer, and this is the coin. And also she uses Trust Wallet. You have Trust Wallet, you have MetaMask Wallet, you have a few wallets that you can use, and we see that this person used her Trust Wallet to basically pay. So she put the crypto in her Trust Wallet and used that to pay for the pizza, and use it to pay for any other services that she might need. So this is very bullish news for this coin, and Venezuela as a country, as well as the South America, because we see adoption is growing in South America more quicker than any other continent, because of the hyperinflation of the currency. We see cryptocurrency growing at an extremely high pace in South America. And one of the reasons why I believe this is a very bullish news is because I was checking out the population in Latin America, and Latin America would also constitute or would have include the Caribbean, because this company was created in Panama, and depending on how you're looking at it, Panama is like borderline Caribbean, borderline it's mainly Latin America. So it's in that vicinity. They're trying to make basically introduce this form of payment, and then their plan is to spread it globally. So this is bullish news. Let's read a bit more on this company. So Venezuelan Panamanian crypto buyer, yesterday the digital exchange startup launched its own cryptocurrency XPT into the world, specifically the ERC20 protocol of Ethereum blockchain. So it's an ERC20 token. This article was written on March the 20th 2020. XPT is now available to complete purchases with crypto buyers affiliated businesses that accept the startup's Cryptobuyer Pay service. Moreover, the startup created its digital assets with the Latin America market in mind. Circulation of the token is crucial. So to expand the use of XPT, Cryptobuyer also announced it will be expanding its network of ATMs throughout Venezuela and Spain. So that's another bullish case. Cryptobuyer has its own ATMs, so you can basically use your connect the ATM to your wallet, to your whatever wallet you have, and they also issue cards. You can connect it to your wallet and then withdraw in the local currency from your MetaMask, from your Trust Wallet. So you can withdraw from the crypto from your MetaMask into the local currency that you're in. And right now it's got a few ATMs in Panama right now. But to get people even more hyped and buy into the asset, Cryptobuyer will also offer special discounts and loyalty bonus. In its initial phase, XPT will be hosted on 4 exchanges: Liquid, Bitmart, Coineel, and Huobi, with BTC XPT pairs. These key partners have agreed to work with the startup in launching contests so as to encourage traders to deposit funds and obtain XPT between the 3 exchanges. There will be around 11,000 in price. The imminent extension of Cryptobuyer's ATMs into Venezuela is quite timely, not only in terms of encouraging the adoption of its XPT token, but also to favor the general trade of digital assets. This is considering that the country's president, Nicolas Maduro, called for a countrywide quarantine last Tuesday, the 17th, and as part of the shutdown, authorities have ordered banking offices to halt operation, all in the effort to limit the spread of the coronavirus. That means that if people had limited that means if people had limited access to their physical money before, it's even harder now. As a result, it's not surprising that cryptocurrency trade has increased, although much like the Mexican pesos tumble after recent oil standoffs and pandemic, digital assets have had it rough. So basically, we see the hyperinflation in Venezuela, in Argentina, in all these Latin American, South American countries, and basically they're trying to counter that by developing a daily use case, by developing an economy around the digital currencies. And this is the first step, because we only see things like happening in South America. We only see this happening in South Korea, where we see the Mekong chain. On the last video, we see Mekong chain. You can, as its own ATM, we can withdraw in the local currency. And now we see South America is adopting the same thing, and the South American market is big, because we see the population for South America and the Caribbean is over 650 million people. So the use case is very big in these countries. Simple fact that you don't need to spend their cash, you don't need to spend the local currency. You can get crypto, because crypto is a deflationary asset. Well, Bitcoin is a deflationary asset, but the price always inflates. So you will always gain on your money over time, and then you can actually spend that as a currency, rather than spending the local currency that's always devaluing and devaluing against anything that you want. If you want to go to a shop and buy something, the price today might change tomorrow. You might need to pay more than you had to pay today. So that's a very, very bullish news for this coin. So this is one of the gems that I just found, Cryptobuyer. Ticker symbol XPT. It's gonna be huge. I can see it. The maximum circulating supply is 150 million. And considering it's trying to hit a market of 650 million people, right, and the circulation supply is only 155 million, this is a no-brainer for me. This is one of those coins that can expand and go parabolic. Right now it's at 2 cents. To me, that's a bargain right now, and the ICO price was 1 cent. So to me, this is a very good coin to have for the future, because it's got real use case in the world right now. It's they're trying to make it like the number one currency, so to speak, in Latin America. Just like we see AXION is trying to make AXION the number one coin in Africa. This is what these people are trying to do, and so far it's already been used, it's already been practicing, it's already it's already been trialed, it's already been tested, and people are actually using it, as what we saw with this girl. She used the Cryptobuyer POS to actually buy a pizza in Pizza Hut. So this is bullish news. The crypto market is getting bigger and bigger, as well as smaller coins like Cryptobuyer having their own market. Their own market is also expanding. So this is only bullish for the space. This is only bullish for, and also crypto, not to take away the fact that Cryptobuyer is only you can only use BINANCE coin. So that's very bullish for BINANCE coin, because then people in Latin America will have access to BINANCE coin on a bigger scale. They can use it on different levels. They can use it for everyday purposes. They also ETH. We already know ETH is going to be big. You can use Bitcoin. You can use, but you can use also Dash. And for me, these 4 cryptos are going to spearhead the safe altcoin, so to speak. Apart from Bitcoin, these 4 cryptos are going to spearhead the bull run in terms of payments and transactions. So guys, make sure you add this coin to your watch list. Not financial advice, but also make sure you do your own research, and make sure you subscribe, like and share, and hit the post notification bell. So catch you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.